Hello and welcome to a new video of Tecmo. Today I would like to talk about the Canon EOS R50. I bought this camera last week for a price of €730 in Europe. I bought it for the kit lens. It's like 18 to 45 millimeter and the focus is 4.5 to 6.3. So it's a STM kit. I didn't buy any other kit for it. I want to first see how the normal kit plays out, and then I will decide what kit I want to buy. I probably will buy a 50mm fixed lens with it. It's called prime lens, but let's see how it performs. I mainly bought this one for video taking and also a bit of photography. For portrait photography or other kind of photography, I probably just use my DSLR. I have an older Pentax that I really like. It's waterproof, and I usually take pictures in the river or in the sea. So that's what I'm gonna use for daily driver. And this one is gonna be for creating content for YouTube or for teaching. So let's get to it. One thing that I don't love about the packaging is that it doesn't really have any outer layers. I know probably nobody ever opened this before, but it kind of like spooks me, It comes with the instructions. The warranty. I think in Europe everything has minimum 1 year of warranty. It's of course made in Japan. It's a Canon, Tokyo, and it's being sold by Netherlands. It's like a mirrorless camera. I have two other cameras. I have a photo shoot one, and then I have another one. So here's the camera itself. This satisfying sound of popping up the plastic. There are some instruction here, some caution, a screen storage compartment, get hot so do not touch. And if you open this is where the lens goes. This is your sensor here. Let's put it back. Your flash can go here. Okay, I don't know how to open this one. You have an electric viewfinder. You have also like a thingy here to set it up properly. You have your battery, and then also you have your SD card here. There are two ports. You have HDMI out, and then you have your USB 3. You have your thingy that you can hold your camera with. You have a few buttons here. You can change your ISO. This is for it's not a button, that's just for mechanical button for changing your lens. And that's it. So it's a typical Canon R series camera. I used that when a friend of mine lent it to me, but my go-to brands are usually Pentax and Panasonic. It's my first Canon camera, but I'm very excited to use it. I really like the colors in the Canon cameras. It's really neutral, and that's what I usually go for. And yeah, it looks really nice. It's quite light. Let me check how much does it weigh. You have your charger. And you have your lens. So as I said, this is the kit lens of the camera. It's from 40 to 40, from 18 to 45. One thing about this lens is I kind of wish the focus was a bit better. Like when you want to take a shot that you want to show the depth of the subject. You usually want something between 2, maybe even lower, 1.5 to 3. 4.5 is alright for taking videos, but it doesn't really give you that depth or like that professional look that you're after. But I don't think I will have a problem with it for landscape or for taking photos of subjects outdoor. You have your band here. It's very important to always have it on your camera. If you don't know how to use it, basically you have to put your hand like this, do one rotation, and this way your camera is always secure when you are taking pictures. The last piece is your battery. You can easily put it here, and let's just put it on your camera. Yep, easy peasy. Let's put the lens on. And that's how it is. So when you turn on the camera, the first thing that it will ask you is to connect it to your phone. Let's just cancel. This is a touch screen. And what I really like about this camera, and that's why I bought it, is because as you can see, it has a really good autofocus. It finds out the subjects quite easily, even when the scene is quite crowded. For shooting videos of subjects or like devices, that would be perfect. Also, it is touch, so if it doesn't really like focus here, for example, you can just click on it and the focus changes immediately. So what I'm gonna do now is quite a sunny day in Vienna. I'm gonna go outside. I'm gonna take some videos for you guys and ladies, and you will see whether you like the natural, neutral colors of this camera or not. And that's what I'm gonna do. Please leave a comment below if you want to test something specific. I can just do it for you. Please ask any question that you want. I'm usually very active in the channel. Please hit the like button. Please hit the subscribe. It's a very small channel. I buy everything by my own money. It means a lot to me that I get more subscribers, so I know that I should continue. The channel is very new. I went outside here and tried to take some videos for you. For example, here the sun is quite bright. I put the lens on 46. Everything is on the auto mode. One of the key takes of this camera is that it is basically tailored for amateurs and people that do not want to play around too much with the settings. All the buttons are quite easy. There is, for example, a video mode. I simply put it there. As you can see, also the camera takes good pictures. I just took 2 shots with the raw option, but no edit at all. With this lighting, everything seems great. The colors are very neutral, very true to the color. This is a 4K video, which is downgraded from 6K. And here, for example, you see if I go from the shadow to light, I can easily see that the camera is adapting very well to it. There is no problem at all. So all in, would I recommend buying this camera from using it for a day? Absolutely. I love taking videos with it. The competitor is Sony ZV E10, but this one has a viewfinder. If it's a sunny day, you really need to have it. And also, I think for this price point is amazing deal. Again, if you like the channel, please smash that like button. Please subscribe to the channel and see you in the next video.